All right, I just got back from the dealership and they wanted to charge me over $100 to replace a cabin air filter. They're like $20 online, so let's save some money. Let's pop open our trunk, or sorry, our hood of our car. All right, it'll clunk, go on over, reach under until you find a little lever, press it, the hood will lift. On this car, I have a little lever up here. Yours might be a little different. Take this arm, place it properly, give it a little wiggle to make sure it doesn't move, and then we need to find on the car where our air filter goes. Luckily in this car, pull out to open air filter. That couldn't get easier. So we'll pop it open, and I notice that I have an air filter here. This has little locking arms on it. I'm going to swing them out, and I'm going to pull this out. Right. Might take a little encouragement, but it should pop out with ease. On the bottom side, you notice there's a little bit of kind of like a grayish dust, particles, garbage like that. So we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to replace it with a new one. All right. Every filter is going to be different, but if you noticed, I grabbed it from a little lever here, so that's the piece that's going to be sticking out. I'm going to be inserting it, make sure it fits properly. All right, looks like it went perfectly in place. Close that. Close the hood. And that's it. I just saved myself over $100 in 3 minutes.